I'm glad to present here the SN10T1 Hannspad from Hannspree. This model is just recently on the market and it's based on Integra 2 chipset. It's 10.1 inch tablet with it has, of course, USB connection, HDMI port, earphones, micro SD. You can extend your memory with up to 32 gig of additional space. The tablet itself has standardly 16 gig of storage. We did the user interface in cooperation with Tap and Tap. So this model actually uses a 2.2 Android core, which is further modified to be more useful for tablets. We changed a few visual things, icons on this model, how the tablet behaves. For example, one of the feature is a home screen with those so-called portlets. You can drag and drop things here. For example, let's say here you have a news running, here is your picture gallery, here is a calendar, but you can change some of those things by, for example, you can take the weather portlet or the weather app and put it here, and then with that you can have here the weather application. That's particularly useful when the tablet is maybe standing somewhere, and you can see those things running. I'm particularly proud to say that this tablet is officially Adobe Flash 10.1 certified device. It's running running very smoothly a Flash videos. Maybe we can try to find some.
Una volta vi chiedo un UPS. Arriva un attimo, c'è stato uno sconosciuto. Sì.
We can display.
Non era così pesante. 50 kg l'uno, il corriere è arrivato alle 7, c'era lui e avevano delle pulizie.
Of course, what you through the HDMI port, what you see here on the screen, you can directly project here on your big screen display. It's 1080p, running 1080p video without any problem. The NVIDIA Integra chipset is pretty powerful with a dual core and a graphical processing unit, and especially hardware acceleration for Flash. So you can see those videos are running pretty smoothly on this device, and as well on the big screen TV. The tablet has a very modified browser, which is in terms of user experience very similar to a desktop computer. So you can have this multi-tab browsing and switching between one and another, and you see without any problems you can still see here the video running. Other useful things is or something I would like to announce here is that in May we are adding Office software for this tablet. It will be free of charge for all existing users, and it will be a fully workable Office solution. You have a word processor, a spreadsheet processor, and a presentation software. Here I can present some of the first one. So here you can see our Word document, which you can view in a different way, for example. You can revise things, you can delete things, just like a normal Office software. So that would be available for all users, free of charge. As I mentioned, we did modify a few things. For example, the calendar viewer is pretty different than a lot of other tablets, so it's ergonomically modified to be visually more attractive. Contacts also. We paid particular attention to some visual details. For example, music player to be ergonomically visually good for the users to enjoy that multimedia. We have Angry Birds standardly pre-installed on this tablet. I guess everybody will agree with me that that's today the most popular applications. As I mentioned earlier, not only on the Flash videos but also in the normal videos, the tablet is pretty smooth, so the multimedia experience is really good with this. And now with the Office software, we want to make it also very useful for, except for pleasure, also for business use.